Hi guys, I'm Jean from HeyLittleJean and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a Japanese vegan curry. It's a classic and simple one, but it's very tasty. And if you want to add some more ingredients, of course you can, but sometimes the simpler the better. And for the recipe, let's get started! For this recipe you'll need 500 ml of vegetable stock, 50 g of homemade curry, 3 potatoes, 2 carrots, 1 onion, 1 clove of garlic. And of course you'll need some rice. So first take the clove of garlic and smash it with your knife. Cut the bottom part and we can peel the garlic easily. Cut into half and take off the germ if needed. And now we are going to slice it. Once it's done, we put it aside. Take the onion, cut into half, and we are going to peel it. And when it's done, we are going to cut the top and the bottom part. And we are going to slice it into large sections. And then we put it aside. Now we are going to care about the carrots. First, we are going to peel it. Voila. Now we are going to cut the ends. And then we are going to cut it into large sections too. Now we put it aside and we're going to do the same thing with the second one. Good. For the potatoes, we are going to do the same thing. We are going to peel it. Feel free to brush your potatoes underwater before if they are dirty. You can also use firm potatoes, mine are classic standard ones. Once you peel it, we are going to cut into half. Then, we are going to cut into bites. I cut each part into 6. Here's the result for one potato, and here's the result for all potatoes. We are not cooking all the ingredients at the same time. Potatoes and carrots will be added together. Onion goes first, and then goes the garlic. Now take a pot and put the heat on high heat. Put some oil with neutral flavor, and once it's hot enough, put the onion, stir a little. We put onion first and not the garlic to prevent them to burn. Now we add the garlic, stir a little. We got all the aroma from the garlic, it smells so good. Now we put the potatoes and the carrots. We stir a little. And we're going to add our vegetable stock. Then goes our homemade vegan golden curry. If you wish to, you can also break the block of curry into parts or pieces before adding it to the stock. Now turn the heat to medium-high heat. Cover with a lid and let it simmer for 30 minutes. You can also uncover the lid a little if your heat is too high and if it's bubbling too much, or if you wish to reduce the sauce. Don't forget to check a few times during the process. Now 30 minutes passed. We can uncover and it smells also so good. The sauce is thickened because we have some flour in our homemade golden curry. And now here's a hint I would like to share with you. If you wish to make the curry to taste even better, add a teaspoon of Worcester sauce in it. It will enhance all the flavors. Just a teaspoon is enough. Now, continue to stir. And continue to reduce the sauce if you wish to have something concentrate. You can also taste the sauce to balance seasonings. We don't need to add anything here. Potatoes are cooked well, as we can break them easily with a fork. And now, let's put everything on a plate. We put the rice, we add vegetables, plenty of vegetables. We add the sauce, which is the best part of this dish. And now that everything is done, I wish you to enjoy a delicious meal! So, what do you think? It's a very easy recipe, isn't it? Sometimes I add some more ingredients, for example I add some radish or some beans, but it changes a little the taste of the curry. And as I told you, sometimes the simpler the better. And if you ever tried this recipe, don't forget to leave me a message on the comment section below. Don't forget to click on the bell and subscribe on my YouTube channel to get notified when I post some new videos. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!